If you're facing the 390 error in Umamusume Pretty Derby, there are several steps you can try to fix it. First, fully restart the game, as this simple step often works. On mobile, close the game from recent apps and reopen it. On PC, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Find any Umamusume Pretty Derby processes under the Apps section, right-click, select End Task and relaunch the game. If that doesn't help, try switching to a different network, such as moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or using a personal connection instead of a shared one to avoid restrictions. For PC users, switching from the DMM version to the Steam version, file conflicts may cause problems. Locate the DMM folder, rename it for example to umamusume_DMM_backup, and let Steam have its own environment. You should also disable any VPN services, as they can interfere with server connections. If the game works without a VPN, that's likely the cause. If issues persist, reinstall the game entirely, clearing cache and leftover files before downloading the latest version from Steam, DMM, or your mobile app store. Finally, if none of these methods work, you can reach out to the Umamusume community and seek help via their official Discord support.